Hi everyone, welcome to WarpBay. Let's talk about lost lead automation. This is one of the most smart and amazing features that we have on our dashboard. How this works is traditionally we have registration forms for our website on our website, and we register our users from those forms. Now it could be multiple forms or it could be one form. What our system does differently is you have visitors coming to your reg form and they fill up their information. For example, they put their name, email, mobile number, and then they do not finish their submission and they drop out before they even complete the registration. They leave there, they put their name, email, mobile number, and then they do not press the submit button. They just drop out. This in this case, you have lost that particular lead. Google Analytics or your forms is telling you that the registration is you have 100 views or 200 views, but you got like 5% or 10% conversion. This is where our system comes and changes the game for you. What we do is when somebody comes to a reg form, fills up their information, even if without this submit, we have a bot activity running on the form and we store that data for you. We call them lost lead. How do we do that? Is you come in the analytics section, you go to the forms, and in the forms, you see the form stats. Here, you see lost lead. When you click here, you see these are the people who came to your registration form, filled up the information half, and then they dropped out. We are storing their email and mobile number. And what you can do here is you can download this data and send a campaign to them. Now, these are interested people who came to your edge form, but they did not submit. And there is one more beautiful thing here. Let's say you don't want to do it manually. We have built a smart automation feature. What this does is, let's say I can create a campaign here. I can start a campaign. What this will do, it will let's say today somebody came to your edge form and did not submit it around somewhere around 11 a.m. The system will send an email to this particular email address and a WhatsApp tomorrow saying that, hey, you came to the reg form but you did not finish submitting the registration form. Would you be again interested in registering for the same? Again, the email copy can be fully customized, and then there's a link to register, to start registering again. They click on it and they register, and the system tracks that this particular person has registered via lost lead. So this is a very very smart feature which you can use for your events, and it works on all your forms. Let me show you how this works. So, for example, I go into the form, I go into the lost lead tab, and I can see the data, uh, like all the user who came to the reg form and did not end up submitting. I can view on different forms as well. I can see it on exhibitor form. I can see it on my speaker form. So this is again your hot lead where you are running an expression of interest to a reg form, and again you can find those leads as well. So this is a very, very smart feature, and there's an activity tracker also. It tells you each and every activity that is running on that particular. So yeah, this is all for me as of now. If you need any more information about Lost Lead, please feel free to reach us. Would love to talk about this with you in detail. Thank you.